Hi, seventh graders. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd. For science class today, we're going to start out with our bell ringer, which remember is just our things that we need to get ready. Whoops, I'm a day ahead again. I keep doing this every day. All right, so what you need to do to get ready for today is you're going to look through these three graphic organizers and you're going to choose which one you would like to use today for your vocabulary. There are quite a few vocabulary terms, and there's 8 of them, so kind of keep that in mind. So you can choose between the word definition picture, the wall, or the boxes. Okay, and you're going to choose which one you want, make a copy, and save it in your Science 7 Google folder to be ready for today. All right. Once we are done with that, we got to do our review from yesterday. So yesterday we looked at the biological levels of organization, and the essential question was, what are the biological levels of organization? And so this is what your notes should look like. So our smallest level is the cell. Cells join together to make up tissues. Tissues join together to make up organs. Organs join together to make up organ systems. Organ systems join together to make an organism. And an organism is the individual. Okay. A group of individuals or a group of organisms of the same species make up a population. So if we're talking about wolves or deer, okay, so a population is all of the same species. And then different populations join together to make a community. So that would be like the populations of the wolves and the populations of the deer and the populations of the rabbits. All of them together are a community. And then different communities, along with the non-living things, make up the ecosystem. Okay, so all the living things plus the water, the rocks, etc., make up the ecosystem. And then there are numerous different ecosystems that make up the biosphere or the earth. So those are your biological levels of organization. You will need to keep this so that you know what's smaller and what's bigger. So you'll have to put them in order when you get to your test later on. All right, today, our essential question, we are going to look more at the relationship between abiotic and biotic factors. We're also going to be reviewing some of the vocabulary that you have been looking at already and a few terms that you're going to be looking at later on. So we're going to organize our vocabulary today. Okay, so you should have already chosen one of your graphic organizers. It doesn't matter to me which one you use. These are the terms that you're going to define on your graphic organizer. So we have ecology, biotic, abiotic, organism. This should say population. I have a typo. I'll fix it. Community, carrying capacity, and limiting factor. So what you are going to do is you are going to go through this slideshow on your own. Okay. And you are going to be able to fill out your graphic organizer for those different terms. I would like you to make sure to read through all of the different slides, even if you don't need that information. Okay. Watch any videos or anything that is in that slideshow. Okay. Then what you are going to do is you are going to go on a wonder walk. And so you can click right here. And this is an assignment that you'll submit. Now, I'm not sure what the weather is going to be like, so this might depend on the weather forecast for today. But what you are going to be doing is going for a walk, and what you're looking at is the different abiotic and biotic features that you notice in your biome that you live in, okay? If the weather is not good, there's a video in here that you can watch to complete the activity instead, okay? So what it will look like is this slideshow. I'll make it bigger. This is your My Document. It says the Minnesota Zoo defines a biome as a large community of plants and animals that occupies a distinct region and is defined by its climate and dominant vegetation. Each biome has unique biotic and abiotic features. Let's see what's in yours. So you're going to find where you live, what biome you live in. And then as you take your wonder walk outside or watch this video, you're going to type in abiotic and biotic factors that you notice. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to explain how one specific abiotic factor in your biome, so this is the biome that you chose to do your research on, okay, how it impacts one of the populations of organisms in your biome. Be specific with your example and support it with evidence. You're going to have to do a little bit of research for that one. Okay. It has you type in this document and submit it as well. You also see that, where was today's assignment? I seem to have lost it. Here it is. Nope, that's not it. Anyways, so in the ecology vocabulary, it also is on here. Okay, this is the exact same question that's in that assignment. So what you can do is after you type it into that assignment, you can copy and paste it into your biome graphic organizer. Okay, so you'll have to do a little bit of research. Remember, those links on the bottom of the biome graphic organizer can help you with that. Right, so that is what you're doing today. The Wonder Walk is also linked on here, but it's linked in a couple different places. So have a wonderful day and have fun on your Wonder Walk.